What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video with me and the new guy on the channel.
What's up, guys?
In this video, me and my helper right here, we got this pipe. We got three pipes. We're gonna cut this 6 foot and that one 6 foot. We're gonna cut these. We're gonna keep these 6 foot and cut this one about 3 foot off and put an extra 1.5 foot on this one and an extra 1.5 foot on that one. So let's get to the video. All right, we gotta put our safety glasses on. All right, we're gonna measure this bad boy. All right, let's see. We're gonna put the camera over here. This is what making a YouTube video is all about, man. You gotta get that setup right. You know what I'm saying? Come on in the frame. All right, guys. So first, we had to flush all the black widows out of the pipe, because this pipe's been sitting over there for 3 years now. Okay. We gotta put some. Alright, here we go. So, alright, guys, so we know each pipe is like about 6 foot. So, we're gonna pull our yellow handy dandy Coleman tape measure out. And that is at 6 foot and 1/8, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So now we're gonna take this one and measure the last one, and that is 5 foot 11 3/4. So we know that one's short by 1/4, which ain't gonna be too bad, you know what I'm saying? Because it's not gonna be too bad. You won't see it. But anyways, so we're gonna pull a measurement. All right, we're gonna pull it right here. We're gonna mark off. This one's gonna go with number 1. That we're gonna call this pipe number 1, and this is gonna be our number 1 pipe. So we said 5 foot, so it's gonna be 6 foot and 1/4. So that way to make it 6 foot 8, it'll be 7 foot 6. And we're gonna put a 1.5 foot in the ground in concrete. And we do got concrete, by the way. Is there a bug on my neck? We're gonna roll this paper around. This is the poor man rig, okay? So this is what we gotta do. We gotta take this, put this here. Of course, you're gonna take, okay, so we're gonna take this. Okay, so the whole purpose of this right here is to line up your line. Okay, so let's see. Right there. There we go. See, now we know when we line it up like that, we know that this cut is going to be straight. Okay? Mm-hmm. So you got to take it and you got to trace it around. This is the boring part. So it really don't matter how straight it is. This side's going to go in concrete, you know what I'm saying? Oh. Got ants on there. Okay. Is this boring or what? Wish I had my bandsaw. It's going fast. You know how long it'd take for me to. Oh man, I messed up. Okay, we're not gonna use this anymore. We're gonna just eyeball it. We're gonna keep the straight side on the clean side. This side's going in the ground anyways. So watch how straight we can make this line. Boom, buddy, we just made it straight. Watch your fingers. All right, guys, so we got that marked out, and we're gonna mark out the next one. So we got that at 1'6". Hold the tape measure right. Did you just fart? Yeah, you did. Guys, I think he farted. Don't worry, I'm not gonna put it. Ew. Ew, man, come on, dude.
Oh, you.
I know, I'm just messing. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. You got it? Yeah, smell it. It smells like cheese. It smells like cheese doodles. Alright. You smell that? Ew. That's nasty. He farted. Okay, guys, so you gotta have fun. You gotta have fun with it. Don't worry, all the stuff that I'm talking is not gonna be in the video. Go ahead and pull that pipe out.
This one?
Yeah, pull it towards you. Alright, so ready? 1, 2, 3, pull. Dang. Ah, man, you're strong. You're strong, man. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, pull. Alright, right there. That's good. Alright. Alright, let go. Let me put that out of the way. Oh, okay. Right there. Alright, that's good. You can let it go. Just be careful. Watch yourself. Okay. Alright. Matter of fact, yeah, go ahead and hold this pipe.
Oh.
Yeah, you get this one. Yeah, I got this one. Remember, if anything drops, let it fall. Don't try to catch it, okay? That's the most valuable lesson you can learn in life. Anything heavy like this, I'd rather you let it hit the ground than try to catch it. You know what I mean?
I don't want my heavy, so I'm not going to catch it. I'm going to let it drop.
Exactly. Remember that. That's the most important thing you can learn in life. Is let something fall on its own. Don't try to catch it.
Why am I hurt?
Yeah, it hurts you. I tried to catch a transmission one time. My dad's like, Cody, don't you ever do that again. I was like, Dad, I'm sorry. He's like, don't do it again. I can get a transmission, but I can't get another you.
But like, were you hurt?
Yeah, it hurt my finger. I almost broke it. Yeah. It didn't hurt too bad. I almost cried. I almost cried, man. I'm not no punk, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, so we're gonna cut this pipe, and I have never cut pipe before on the channel. So one thing we're gonna have to get. Oh man. You know what I just realized, dude? In order to cut this pipe, we gotta take it all the way over there.
We're in the prime cut 60.
All right, we're gonna make sparks?
Yes.
All right, yeah. We're gonna make fire?
Yes.
All right, yeah. All right, let's get to it, y'all.
This is Endangered Beats. Count me down. What? Let's go. 5, 4.
You ain't ready.
3,
Coming to you strong.
2,
Think you want this?
1.
Get it. DRG Beats.
Walk up in the club.
What?
Take a sip.
Yeah.
High money value. Take a hit. I said family over everything with the family ring. I said family over everything with the family ring. Walk up in the club. Take a sip. High money value. Take a hit. I said family over everything with the family ring. I said family over everything with the family ring. Yeah. Walking in the airport, just landed in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Vacay is where I wanna be. Making money, you will remember me. No regrets.
Copyright.
Tatted on my chest, that's a victory. Making money, making it come up, it'll be in history. There is only one of me.
That's my
Never can
dream.
replace this new age. Making money ain't nothing without your family. Can you hear me? Open up your eyes and see what I'm about. Recognize man, women on me like I'm a king. With my bros on my side, living a dream. With money shooting out a hot spring, making it pour. Liquor store, tailgate, bonfire side, drinking up, having a good time with my family. Walk up in the club, take a sip. High money value, take a hit. I said family over everything with the family ring. I said family over everything with the family ring. Walk up in the club, take a sip. High money value, take a hit. I said family over everything with the family ring. I said family
Like,
over
comment, and
everything
subscribe
with the
for
family
more.
ring. Yeah.